My name is Massimiliano Simons. I'm a PhD student from the University of Leuven in Belgium. I'm doing a PhD in philosophy, so my main interest is philosophy of science, philosophy of biology, and that has brought me to the case of synthetic biology through the work of also Darien Meacham. So what I'm mainly interested in is what can synthetic biology tell us about how science works. So I want to link it in my presentation with a classical question in philosophy of science, namely the question, is science something that is descriptive, observing an object that is already out there, pre-given, or is it rather some kind of constructive activity? It is forming, shaping, creating a new object of study in, for instance, our artificial laboratory settings. And I think synthetic biology is an interesting case for that. But what I want to do in my presentation is actually not just affirm this kind of philosophical thesis through the case of synthetic biology. Look, it's another case of constructive science, but rather problematize philosophical discussions about what it means to be constructive as a science through the case of synthetic biology. So, because claiming that science is constructive is a bit too vague, because you cannot really see what is new in the case of synthetic biology in comparison to earlier periods of history of molecular biology, for instance. Like genetic engineering already had this ambition of creating, constructing artificial life, and synthetic biology just tries to do the same, but in that sense, saying that synthetic biology is new because it tries to construct nature is not enough. You need some kind of more subtle variation. What does it really mean to say that it's constructive? So what I'm going to try to do, and what I'm doing in my PhD project, is see what kind of different shapes of constructivism are out there and what kind of shape is appropriate for synthetic biology.